Hello friends, this is BLDC motor driver or controller. This is the controller for 48 volt power supply, and this is the control of the electric motor. Actually, this is tiller motor controller. This is motor and this is controller. In this controller, we can fix the motor. The motor is not rotating. Okay. These are all the MOSFETs, and this is diode section. This is the three-phase supply. This controller is changing the DC supply to three-phase high frequency supply. Okay, this is the socket for controlling the speed and the direction of motor and brake system, ignition system, all are there in this section. Okay, in this unit we connect the motor. The motor is not rotating. The customer is not bring the battery. And I check all the spares in the code test method. Okay, these all MOSFETs are good and the diodes also good. These four MOSFETs are one channel, these four are another channel, and these four are another channel. The three phase is there in this control. Okay, the drain and source are not showing anything. Okay, in opposite direction it is shows. Okay, here there is no continuity. Okay, this is all good, this is also good, this is also good, and these four channels are very less resistance is showing. Okay, Okay. Okay, these MOSFETs are good, and these diodes are also good. See. Okay. Okay. Opposite direction, it is not showing anything. Okay. Okay. Now this unit is, the output stages are good, and here the controller sockets and wires are there, and all sensors are to be good. These are all the hall sensors. Okay, this is mounted in the motor. Okay, these all sensors are good, and this socket, see, this is the hall sensors wire A, B, C, and this is ground, and this is 5 volt. Okay, these plus minus voltage is not showing any ohms. I removed this socket. Okay, I put this socket. Okay, now I check the 5 volt section. See here, this is showing full continuity. Okay, I reverse the direction of this prod and see, the meter is kept on the continuity position. This is 5 volt section. This is showing full continuity, and also the props will be changed, and that also shows full continuity. Here the circuit is get shorted of 5 volt supply. Okay, when 5 volt supply is not getting, the hall sensors are not doing work. Okay, the motor is not rotating. Okay, this complaint, how to trace it? These two wires are, this is the plus and this is the minus. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 numbers, and this is first. Okay, I removed the socket. Here is the pin number 6, this one and this one. It is showing short. Like that, we go to the tracing the tracks where it is going. Okay, see, this is multi track and both side circuit is there, and the track is to be very difficult to trace. Okay, now we can get the complaint. The 5 volt supply is get shorted. Okay, When the 5 volt supply gets shorted, that circuit must and should having the capacitor. Okay. Okay. I seen all these. This is the capacitor, this is the capacitor, this is capacitor, this is capacitor, this is capacitor. We must see the capacitor continuity. Okay. Okay. I interchange the probes. Okay. Here there is no continuity. It is good. This is showing continuity, and another side not go showing anything. This is also good. I changing the probes. This is also good. This capacitor is showing full continuity. Okay. See. 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 This capacitor is showing full continuity. This circuit is get shorted. Okay. Here is also a capacitor. See, there is no continuity. Okay. It is showing something. And this also showing. These two capacitors are showing continuities. Okay, let's check. See, this one and this one capacitor showing continuity. Let's open the capacitor and check the regulators is mounted on the PCB. Okay. Okay, let's open the capacitors. Open these two capacitors. Okay. This is 4735 volt. This is also 4735 volt. Let's check the track whether it is short or not. See, now it is showing short. Okay, the two capacitors are good, kept aside. This regulator, I think this regulator is compliant. Let's open the regulator. This is 1117 regulator. Let's check whether it is short or not. Okay. See, the center connection is connected here. Okay. See, this is the output, this is input. See, this is shorted and interchange the probes. This is also showing shorted. This regulator is shorted. Okay. This regulator is to be changed. Okay. Now we can check without regulator. The capacitor's points are this good. Okay. See, one side is showing, another side is not showing anything. This regulator is to be changed. Okay. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel. I showing like this complaints. Thank you very much. Please share this video to your friends. Thank you once again.
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ những video hấp dẫn.